Amnesty International has urged China to immediately withdraw its invitation to Sudanese President Omar Al-Bashir or to arrest him in case he travels to Beijing. President Bashir is due to meet Chinese President Hu Jintao and other high-ranking officials as part of a visit from the 27th to 30th of this month. Amnesty is basing its demand on a March 2009 International Criminal Court arrest warrant against Sudanese President Omar Al-Bashir. 3 years later, he and countless others accused of crimes under international law in Darfur continue to evade justice.
And we're not just opposed to President Bashir's visit to China. We are opposed to governments not adhering to their obligations, both under international law and to the UN Security Council that deferred the Darfur case to the ICC of their obligations to arrest him. There are warrants out for the president, so he needs to be arrested. International justice must prevail.
Bashir was indicted by the ICC with crimes against humanity and war crimes in Darfur. Genocide was later added to the list of charges against him in 2010. However, he has been to a number of countries which are party to the Rome Statute and returned to Sudan without being sanctioned.
Countries that have not signed up to the Rome Statute are still obliged to cooperate with the ICC because the situation in Darfur was referred to the ICC by the Security Council, and in that resolution 1593, the UN Security Council urged all states to cooperate with the ICC. China is not a signatory to the Rome Statute, but China is a member of the Net 5 of the Security Council, and they did not veto the decision to refer the situation in Darfur to the ICC, and therefore they are still obliged to arrest him.
China has extensive investments and interests in southern Sudan, especially in oil, irrigation works, power generation, telecommunication and infrastructure. Amnesty International has repeatedly called on all members of the international community to ensure full accountability for crimes under international law committed in Sudan.
It sends a very negative message. It sends the message that people who have committed crimes can get away. It undermines the whole concept that there shouldn't be impunity for crimes against humanity, war crimes, and when governments do not adhere to the arrest warrant, the message that they're sending is that you can have impunity for those crimes.
The warrants against President Bashir charge him with criminal responsibility on 10 counts, including murder, extermination, forcible transfer of population, torture, and rape. Michael Baleke, NTV Tonight.